Hey YouTube, AC here. I wanted to do a quick video in case this has ever happened to you guys installing LED kits. Most LED kits, I would say not most, but some come with a blue wire. Now what the blue wire is to tap into your brake light system. So when you hit the brakes, let me go ahead and turn on the kit real quick. All right. So as you can see, the kit is on. Let me go ahead and just put the ignition onto the accessory. So when you do hit the brakes, you want to make sure that your taillight also lights up like this. If it's not, then you may want to check your wiring. But the thing I wanted to get to is if you turn off your glow kit, you may want to check the brakes as well, because sometimes you may need a load resistor to help with that. So you see I already turned off the glow kit, and you can see that the taillight automatically went to brake light mode. And when I hit the brake lever, you can see nothing's going on with the taillight because it's just stuck on. Now to remedy this, you're gonna need a load resistor. And let me show you where I installed the load resistor. Go ahead and get the camera here. And the load resistor, kind of hard to see with all this cabling here. What you wanna do is you wanna have one side of the load resistor, the cable just came out. One side of the cable for the load resistor going to the blue wire, which is right there. And then on the other side of the load resistor, you want that side of the cable to go to that black wire. So let me go ahead and plug this back in, and then I'll show you the end result. Okay, so I already got this already wired up. The focusing good right there. So what I use are posi taps. That's my main thing to connect wires. So you can see the posi taps are there. This is already tightened up. And now I don't have the glow kit on, and that's what you want to do. You want to test it, make sure without the glow kit on. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn the key. I'm going to hit the brake lever. You can see the reflection off of the back over with the taillight. And there we go. That pretty much solved it. They just had to put a load resistor to create a little bit of a load, because this customer does have an LED style taillight. Some bikes come with those incandescent bulb style, and this is LED. So sometimes it could be just a simple fix like that where it just needed a load to do it. And then of course when he does put his lights on, so we'll go ahead and put the lights. Lights are going to come on. I'm going to go ahead and hit the lever. And you can see that his lights are flashing. His glow kit is flashing with the brake lights. And then same thing with the back end. You can see that his tail light is coming on. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you a real quick thing in case it happened to you guys and you're like puzzled on why that's happening. Load resistor, super easy fix. If you guys are enjoying this simple type of content, please smash a like button down below. Just like that, let me know that you're enjoying the content. If you have any questions, please post them down below. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe too. Subscribe button's right there somewhere at the bottom. So I would appreciate it if you guys, tap the subscribe. And that's about it. All right, bye.